We advance, we empower, we strengthen our knowledge and information. Greetings to everyone. I am Ramasene. On this video, we are going to talk about a tussle between Ngizom Kunu and Sello Julius Malema. As the video has shown, to many people, it seems so much like Ngizom Kunu in the High Court shown not to have been understanding what this matter is all about. Of which, in my opinion, is not what I agree with. I think Ngizom Kunu know and understand what was the matter. And the reason why I am saying is because after he knew Sello Julius Malema has sued him, he knew Julius Malema has sued him. He said he will never pay Julius Malema. He can forget. And many of Senzo Mkunu's supporters have echoed that and say, yeah, he cannot get the money. But let me start by saying, fellow South Africans, do you remember the matter was about 60 million that Senzo Mkunu said Julius Malema was given by the Nigerians in order to defend them to sell drugs? I repeat, it was about a 60 million. So when you go to court, you don't talk about everything the whole world. Like, yeah, he used to do President Jacob Zuma like this. They only want to know. Gave us evidence that Julius Malema have given the Nigerians have given Julius Malema 60 million. That's all is wanted in court. You cannot talk any other thing. Julius Malema say, I was never given millions by foreigners. And you come up and say, you were given the money by foreigners. Here is evidence. That's all that is wanted. Because it is, as I always say, in all the sides, everybody's got the breaking rights. If you support any particular side, you are going to see your side taking an upper hand. And if you lose, you lose. If you take a risk, you must know the other side is also going to try to fight its major battle. Now, if you go, you must know that other person is facing is fighting his battle. And you must expect that he will fight back. Now, because you decide to undermine the other side, it doesn't mean that necessarily that side is going to lose. Now, one of the biggest issues is that after Gizo say he will never pay Julius Malema the 1 million, we saw a video where Gizo was talking to Jacinta and the husband of Jacinta, advising him to apologize. When they were telling him to apologize, it was after the interim. Interim is not a permanent court decision. It's a court decision, but it's saying we give you a chance to challenge the decision. Now, when he was saying he will not apologize, it's because the court was saying he must apologize. Meaning, Ngizom Kunu knew about the court decision. He knew the court have said. He knew about Julius Malema have sued him. He had paperwork. He knew the interim court said he must apologize. Now, how would he not know that? How would he not know that he must come to the court on the 20th of May? How did he know he must come to the court on the 20th of May? And after all, you have realized how the decision of the court was, to my understanding, deliberately interpreted by Ngizom Kunu. As you can see, Ngizom Kunu, the court have said something, but when you go out to the people, he talks something. And it is my opinion that it seems like there is somewhere whereby he said a judge is imbongolo. imbongo le judge. So if he will not respect whatever the court say he must do, he is more likely to face the contempt of court. In other words, the court is going to take steps against him for failing to respect what the court is saying. And this is what some of the things that the court say he must do. Ngizo must publish a video apologizing to Malema and retracting the statement he made. The video must also be sent to Kinzoso for it to be reported on TikTok, where the original interview circulated. He must pay the legal cost of the matter. He must also pay the 1 million in damages for defamations. And should he fail not to do according to what he said here, he will be disrespecting the court, not Julius Malema. The court, not Julius Malema, have the power to say, go and arrest Ngizo Mchunu. And I have realized that most of the people for him, actually him, he had manipulated the system and tried to say, this is Julius Malema attacking the people that are protecting the country, which is not true. If he did not talk about Julius Malema, he should not be here where he is. And I will say it's fine, support his mission, do everything, but be careful of going out and protect the person that is now facing the court, because as it stands, the only thing that Ngizo can do is to challenge the court in appeal. Otherwise, he will be collected and be arrested. And it's up to the people to whether you're going to protect the people for being justifiable and make sure people don't make unnecessary statements. It was the same if Julius Malema did not challenge Ngizo Mchunu for saying he's got 60 million. It was going to be the same. His supporters were going to say he didn't challenge Ngizo Mchunu when Ngizo Mchunu was saying he got 60 million. In that way, destroying the name of Julius Malema. When Julius Malema challenges him on the 60 million name, now he also blamed for doing so. Exactly what was Julius Malema supposed to do, because there's a lot of podcasters that need anything negative about Julius Malema. And when Julius Malema stand and defend only on the 60 million, he never said you must never, he never stand in front of anybody to protest or do anything. He did what you can do, what I can do. Don't use my name in a negative way. Let us hear what everybody is saying about this. Were you going to do anything if your name is used and the evidence is not provided? Do you also have the rights not to be your name not to be used in a right way? And also, what do you think? Is Ngizo Mchunu right to pretend he doesn't know what the court was saying, and also coming up and saying he tell the people whatever it is as the outcome of the court? Because you can hear even some of the instances people say it was a 5 minutes break from the court. What do you make out of this? Let us talk, or let us meet on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.